Good morning, everyone. This is Shyam, Assistant Professor, Civil Department, Chevrolet Engineering College. Subject Estimation, Specification and Contracts. Unit 5, Detailed Estimation of the Building. On topic Individual Wall Method. Estimate is the method for finding the out quantity of the various construction item and materials which are used in construction work. The required dimensions, length, breadth, and depth or height are to be taken out from the drawings, that is plan, elevation, and section. When you start the construction estimate, you will study the drawings and imagine the building pictured in your mind, and the dimensions are to be taken correctly. So there are number of cost estimation methods for calculating the quantities like earthwork, foundation, concrete, brickwork in plinth and superstructure, but mainly below two methods are used. One is the long wall and short wall method, and second one is the center line method. So here long wall, short wall method is the completely one method in unit 5, and center line method completely one method in unit 6. So we will discuss long wall method and short wall method. It is the fifth unit. So long wall and short wall method for the calculating quantity of the various construction item. Long wall and short wall method is used. For measuring the long wall and short wall, the external out to out length of walls running in the longitudinal direction generally is considered as the long wall, while the into in internal length of walls running in the transverse direction is called short wall or cross wall. For calculating quantity, multiply the length into the breadth and height of the wall. So for finding out the length of long wall, simply add it center length of the wall to the 2 times half breadth or one side of the wall, which gives the out to out length of the long wall. So for example, see the figure. This is the totally wall. Here we identify the long wall and short wall. It is the horizontal, it is the length 5 meters, and vertical is the 4 meters. In this long wall, short wall, in find out the one wall is perpendicular to another wall. This is the long wall, short wall method. So there are not a parallel. Perpendicular walls is the one wall is the long wall, one other is the short wall. Here we see the length is 5 meters for the long wall, and short wall length is 4 meters. These are dimensions to inside. Here wall thickness is the 0.3 meters long wall, and short wall also 0.3 meters thickness. Here see the how many long walls and how many short walls we calculated. So here it is the one long wall plus another long wall. Totally two long walls, and short walls is this is the short wall, and also this is the short wall. Totally short walls also two. Is the long walls also one, two. Here we calculated the individual walls. So one wall is we calculated breadth, height, depth, and multiply with number of walls, same dimensions. Similarly, short walls also. So length of the long wall formula, center to center of the length of the wall plus half breadth on one side plus half breadth on another side. That equal to center length plus wall plus one breadth. Means here taking two half breadth one side, half breadth another side. So half plus half, that equal to 1. So center to center of the wall plus one breadth. For finding the out length of the short wall or cross wall, subtract from the center length. So the one breadth of the wall which gives the length of the short wall into instead of adding. This is the long wall length, then short wall length is the center to center length minus one breadth. This is the less one breadth, long wall is plus one adding one depth. So note the length of the long wall usually decreases from the earthwork to brickwork and the length of the short wall is increased. So we will go to the problem, write and draw the problem, example of the long wall and short wall method. So draw the figures. It is the plan, it is the section in given this plan and section in exam pattern U, and we will calculate the use long wall method and short wall method, quantities earthwork and cement concrete, brickwork, footings. Draw the plan. 4 by 5 dimension is the thickness of the wall 0.30 meter. This is not a short wall and long wall, it is not identified in problems. Here we understand to given the dimension. Firstly write down. First we will calculate the total length of the long wall and short wall. Using the above this image, you can first find the length of long wall and short wall. So here we find out the length of the long wall and length of the short wall. So short wall is this is the short wall and it is the long wall. So center to center length of the long wall. So this is the center to center length, we find out 5 plus. So this is the 0.3 means half portion, half into 0.3. So clearly look like half into 0.3 plus here also center half into this portion 0.3, that equal to 5.30 meters. It is the length of the long wall. Next, center to center length of the short wall. This is the length of the long wall. Next one, we calculated the length of the short wall, center to center. So here 4 meters plus and half into 0.3, this portion total is 0.3 and half portion half into 0.3. Similarly here half into 0.3, that equal to 4.30 meters. Okay, clearly. So long wall length is the 5.30 and short wall is 4.30 meters. After finding out the length of the long wall and short wall, now we find the quantity of the various items of which is used in construction. So draw the table number. We calculated the quantity for every detailed measurement and calculation of quantities. Serial number, item description, number, length, breadth, height or depth, quantity, and note. So here, first of all, any construction, we will open the excavation. So next one, concrete foundation after brickwork, foundation and plinth area, and next one after brickwork in superstructure. These are the main 4 points. After slabs we calculated also. Mainly four we will calculate in given diagram. So this is the section. So this site is the superstructure of the brickwork. Then we will calculate the this portion. Above the this portion in given. After we will calculate quantities is above the superstructure. Here in this section in only given superstructure. So first one open the excavation and concrete CC foundation. After next one brickwork in plinth area and foundation and brickwork in superstructure. So first one serial number one item is the excavation of foundation. In every long walls and short wall we calculated. So first one in this figure, see the long wall is given 2. It is the one long wall. It is the 2. 2 long walls. So numbers is 2. Next one length is, so here length is, we calculate length 5.3 in long wall plus first of all excavation open. Here concrete is taken 0.90. Then open the excavation is 0.9 meters. So long wall length is 0.90. Okay, clearly in excavation only. So length is, here see the length is 0.9 plus 5.3, that is equal to 6.2 meters. It is the length for the excavation. So total length is 6.2 meters length. Okay, clearly. Next one breadth. Breadth is 0.9. Next one height is 0. So this is the expression for the height we calculated, and it is the ground level. GL. So height of the expression 0.3 plus 0.3 plus 0.3, then totally 0.9. This is the height of the expression. So 0.9, then multiply with total 2 into 6.20 into 0.90 into 0.90. This is the quantity 10.04. This is the long walls quantity of the expression. Next, similarly short walls. Here short walls is 2. This is the one. This is the one short wall. Then 2. Next one length is. So we calculate our previous 4.3. Then minus, here expression already we cutting in expression long walls. Then minus 0.90. 4.3 minus 0.90. That equal to 3.40. It is the breadth. So 2 into length is the 3.40 and breadth 0.90 and height is 0.90. This is the 0.90. So totally 0.90 this portion. Okay, clearly. So 0.9 height 0.9 multiply 2 into 3.40 into 0.9 and 0.9, that equal 5.51. It is the quantity of the short walls quantity. Then finally both are adding 10.04 plus 5.51, that equal 15.55 cubic meters. It is quantity of the earthwork. Clearly all of you? Next one, concrete in foundation. So first one excavation open, next one is the concrete, this portion. So this is the concrete. After excavation, concrete in short wall and long wall, same manner. Concrete in foundation, first one long wall, next one short wall. So here long walls are 2, short walls are 2. So length is length 5.3 plus 0.9, 6.2 meters for the concrete foundation, totally adding. Next one 0.9 breadth and height is, here see the cement concrete is portion 0.3 height for concrete. Here only in previous is excavation. Here excavation is the 0.9 meter from ground level GL. This is the ground level. It is the after filling the concrete thickness is the 0.3 means height. So here 0.3 height and multiply with quantity L into B into D or H. So 2 into 6.2 into 0.9 into 0.3, that equal 3.35 cubic meters. Next one short walls. 2 into 3.4, breadth value 4.3 minus 0.90, that equal to 3.40. So here 0.3 height similarly and multiply with 2 into 3.4 into 0.9 into 0.30, that equal to 1.84 cubic meters. And totally adding concrete in foundation, long walls plus short walls 3.35 plus 1.84, that equal 5.18 cubic meters. It is the quantity of the concrete in foundation. Next one, brickwork foundation and plinth area. Here giving the long walls and short walls, sorry, it is the first footing, it is the second footing, it is the plinth area. So one first footing, it is the second footing and it is the plinth area. We will calculate it in brickwork in foundation and plinth area. First of all, we calculate in long walls. Long walls in first footing, second footing and plinth walls. So first footing also long walls are 2 and length is 5 point, we calculate 5.3. 5.3 plus, how do we take the breadth is 0.6. So 0.6 plus height is 0.3. So that equal to 5.90. 5.90 and 0.6 plus 0.30, that equal to 2 into 5.9 into 0.6 into 0.3, that equal to 2.12. This is the quantity of the first footing. Next similarly second footing. Second footing also long walls in 2 and length is 5.3 is the long wall length plus, and it is the width of the 0.5 second footing and 5.3 plus 0.5 means breadth, that equal 5.80. 5.80 plus 5.0.50 and height is 0.3. Here taking 0.3 height also and substituted multiply 2 into L into B into D, 2 into 5.80 into 0.5 and 0.30, that is called 1.74, sorry. It is the quantity of the second footing in brickwork in foundation. Next, in plinth walls. Plinth walls in long walls are 2 given, and length of the long wall 5.3 plus, and here breadth is 0.4. This is the 0.4, and 5.3 plus 0.4, that equal to 5.7, and breadth is 0.4, and thickness is height means 0.6. See the here 0.6, substitute in 2.27, L into B into D. So 2 into two walls, and length 5.70, and breadth 0.40, and height or depth 0.60. Multiply then 2.74. This is the plinth walls quantity. Okay, clear? Next, these are long walls. Next, we calculated short walls in first footing, second footing, and plinth walls. So short walls also given in numbers, 2 numbers, and second footing short walls 2 numbers, plinth walls 2. So here first footing, so long walls in adding the breadth, and short walls less the breadth value. It is the difference only, long walls, short walls in given plan. So first footing is length 4.3 is the length, and minus breadth 0.60, then 3.70 meters. It is the length of the first footing 3.70, substitute, and breadth is first footing 0.60. It is the 0.60, and height is first footing 0.3, substitute, then finally 2 into 3.70 into 0.60 into 0.30, that equal to 1.33 cubic meters. It is the quantity of the first footing in short wall. Next, we go to the second footing in short wall. Number of short walls 2, and length is the here length equal 4.30 minus 0.50, that equal to 3.80. Substitute, and with the breadth is 0.50. It is the second breadth. Next, height is 0.30. It is second in height is 0.30, that equal 1.14 quantity. So this is come from L into B into D, means 2 into 3.80 into 2.80 into 0.50 into 0.30, that equal 1.14 cubic meters. It is the second footing quantity. Next one, plinth walls. In short walls are given 2, and length of the short wall 4.3 minus width is short plinth area 0.4 less, that equal 3.90 meters. So 3.90 meters, and breadth is 0.40, and height is 0.60, and 1.87. It is the quantity of plinth walls in short walls. So then finally adding long walls and short walls quantities. So 2.12 plus 1.74 plus 2.74 plus 1.33 plus 1.14 plus 1.87, totally 10.94 cubic meters. It is the brickwork in foundation and plinth of the quantity 10.94 cubic meters. Clearly understand? Next one, final is the here this portion is completed. Next remaining portion is the above the superstructure. Here given the height is 3.5 meters and width is 0.3 meters. In brickwork in superstructure, so in brickwork in superstructure, long walls and short walls. So long wall is the two numbers, and length is 5.3 plus width is 0.3, that equal to 5.60, and breadth is 0.30, and height is 3.50, and total quantity is 2 into 5.60 into 0.3 into 3.50, that equal to 11.76. It is the quantity of the long walls in superstructure of the brickwork. Next one, brickwork in superstructure of the short walls. So short wall is the 2 and length is 4. When it is coming, length of the short wall is 4.3 minus 0.3 is the width of the superstructure, that equal 4 meters, and substitute in length. Next breadth value 0.30 meters and height is the 3.5 meters. Then finally 2 into 4 into 0.30 into 3.50, that equal to 8.40. It is the quantity of the short walls in brickwork in superstructure. Then finally adding long walls and short walls of the superstructure of the brickwork, 11.76 plus 8.40, that equal to 20.16 cubic meters. It is the brickwork in superstructure quantity. So here we will calculate in excavation in foundation, concrete in foundation, brickwork in foundation, and plinth brickwork in superstructure. These 4 items in mainly find out every problem. So here giving the only superstructure portion, then finally calculated superstructure only. We will discuss next problems in about the superstructures and two-room buildings and planning different plannings. This is the long wall, short wall methods. Clearly check the total quantities. In excavation in foundation quantities 15.55, it is the different excavation. And concrete in foundation 5.18. Here see this problem. Concrete foundation 5.18 and brickwork in quantity 10.94, and brickwork in superstructure is 20.16. This is the cubic meters. This problem in given in question paper is 28 marks. Here divided into two parts, part A and part B. Part A in given 14 marks questions, and part B is directly one question in 28, and part A is 60% and part B is the 40%. So this problem is 28 marks is given directly. Here you will ask the long wall, short wall method or center line method. Then otherwise we are go to the any model, we calculated the quantities in given in drawing. So clearly this is the one of the most important question in long wall and short wall methods. So here clearly observe length of the short wall is center to center length taken after minus 1 breadth. Here long wall method is taken center to center length plus 1 breadth. Here long wall in plus adding 1 breadth and short wall is adding less subtracting 1 breadth. This is the difference when we calculated the total length of the long wall and short walls. So we go to the next problems in next class. Any doubt in the session? First we calculated the center line of the long walls and short walls and draw the plan and section, and next we calculated draw the tabular form. It is the notes or remarks also. Description item number means which work of day we calculated in quantity, number, length, breadth, height or quantity. Sometimes we give the amount of the particular item, then after abstract estimation of the table form, adding plus this table form plus adding the price table form. Clearly all of you? Thank you very much. Any doubt? Okay, thank you.